In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gmail with Claude. By the end, you'll have Gmail connected to Claude so you can streamline tasks like drafting messages, summarizing long threads, and managing your inbox more efficiently. First, open Claude on the web or launch the desktop app, whichever you prefer. Make sure you're signed in to the account where you want the integration to live and that your internet connection is stable so nothing gets interrupted during setup. Next, head over to Settings. You'll typically find this in the sidebar, a gear icon, or the profile menu in the corner. Settings is where Claude centralizes all account preferences and app connections, so it's the right place to manage integrations. Inside Settings, look for the section labeled Connected Apps or Integrations. This is the hub where Claude lists all services it can work with. It's designed to make linking external tools simple and transparent, so you always know what's connected. Once you're there, select Gmail. You should see Gmail listed among the available apps, often with the familiar mail icon. Selecting it opens the integration details, where you can start the connection process. Click Connect. This tells Claude you want to link Gmail and will kick off a secure handshake with Google. A new window or tab may open to continue, which is normal for this kind of integration. Now, sign in with Google. If you're already signed in your browser, you may just need to choose the correct account. If not, enter your Google credentials on Google's sign-in page. Be sure you select the Gmail account you actually want Claude to access, especially if you manage multiple accounts for work and personal email. Finally, approve permissions. Google will show you exactly what access is being requested. Take a moment to read this screen so you're comfortable with the scope. Approving confirms you're allowing Claude to work with your Gmail as described. You're in control here, and you can review or change app access later in your Google account settings if needed. After approval, you'll be taken back to Claude and you should see a confirmation that Gmail is connected. From here, you can simply ask Claude to help with email-related tasks, like drafting a reply from a prompt or summarizing a thread without juggling tabs. If anything doesn't look right, revisit Settings in the Connected Apps or Integrations area to confirm the link is active. That's it. You've connected Gmail to Claude in just a few steps, and you're ready to make your email workflows faster, clearer, and more organized.